Alright guys, so this is the second iteration. We've upgraded a lot on the Z, and today we are going to document putting the motor into the car. So hold on tight and we'll get her put in.
So we're getting close to that. Why don't you stop right there and let's take a look.
So we're gonna have to go back.
Yeah, we do. We do need to come back. And we'll clear the hoses now. Here, well, come back a couple inches. Come back in a little bit, right about there. Okay, now that gives us a little bit more room out. Let's drop it ever so slightly again. So if we miss that over, let's wiggle lift this up in here and get it home. Where's your bolt? That is a cute little radiator. My goodness.
That's a condenser.
Oh, is that your condenser? Mm-hmm. I was going to say, that's a cute little radiator for such a fast car. I'll get it up in there. You line up the pulley hole. Watch this, and it'll go straight in. Bam. Just like on TV. Get your socket for it? Yeah, because as soon as we get this hung, then we're set. And then once we get it into position, you can snug it up just as long as you're not pushing that sleeve back in there. Get it down snug and leave it sitting, and we'll be able to lift and wiggle and move it as needed.